back to our lessons from English Line. So what are we going to talk today? As you can see, we are going to talk about plural nouns. So what is it? Plural nouns. Before explaining plural form of the nouns, I'm going to talk about singular form of the nouns. For example, all of you know the word apple, right? I will write an apple. Or we can write another fruit name, a lemon. So you see that before the noun we use an indefinite article, n and e. So why we use n and e? I think you can guess that before the vowel we use n. So e is a vowel. And before consonant we use e. L here, consonant sound. Consonant. What is it, vowel? Vowel means the sounds like a, o, u, e, sound with duration, right? And consonant means k, t, p, n, l, m, stops. The sound stops, it doesn't continue, right? Consonant sound. So before vowel we use n, and when you say it you unite. An apple, an apple. Here you have a lemon. You cannot say a apple. An apple, a lemon. So this is the basic rule for usage of these articles. So, and actually an and a article means one. So it means actually one apple or one lemon, right? A lemon, one lemon, one apple, an apple. So it means one. Okay, actually I can show you. We have one lemon, right? How can you say when you don't have one, we have more? Yeah? We say lemons. Or we have an apple and we have not one but more than one apples. Two apples. So how should we write it? For example, two. Two apples and two lemons. So the basic rule for plural form, we add s at the end of the nouns, right? So as you can see, this is singular noun, apple, lemon, singular nouns. And actually this is apples, lemons, plural nouns. So plural means more than one. Singular, one. Plural, two, three, four, and more, right? This is the basic rule. We add s at the end of a noun, right? This is very easy. Now I'm going to talk about some other rules, how we can make plural form of the nouns. Are you with me? Yes. Sometimes we can have different nouns. For example, the noun can end with the letters like s or double s or sh or ch, x or o. In this situation, the end of the noun will be es, right? So let me write the example. For example, the word box or a box, one box. A box, we see the letter X we add es. Boxes. 2 boxes, 3 boxes, some boxes. We have this ex at the end, right? Or the next word is a kiss. Okay, double S, the end will be kisses. Again, our es at the end, not just s, es. Boxes, kisses, right? The next rule is the following. It's when the word ends with F letter or FE, right? So here the end of the noun will be the following. We change F letter into V letter. So we have VES, right? The example for this type of nouns will be the following. For example, a shelf. What is it, shelf? You put books on the shelf. Shelf, right? So we have F, we change into VEC, ves. We have shelves. Shelves. And this sound gives you a little bit Z sound. Shelves. The next, a wife. A wife. You can translate these words into your language if you don't know. A wife. And plural form will be wives. VES. We change F letter into V, right? Wives. The next one. The next one will be the following. We have vowel plus Y letter, right? For example, at the end you have the word finishing with vowel and Y. So the ending will be just S, So plus S. You know what is it, vowel, right? O, U, E sounds. Let me show you the example. For example, boy, a boy, one boy. So we have vowel O, right? O, short. And we have letter Y. So the plural will be, you just add S. Boys, super easy. Boys, right? Or I don't know, toys, right? Let me write. A toy, toys. Next one, the next rule will be the following. We have here consonant and Y letter. Consonant. Let me write it like that. Consonant plus Y letter. So in plural form, we will have IES. IES. But we have to cross Y letter here, right? I will explain you how. So you change Y into IES, so it disappears. For example, family, you know this word, right? Family. Family. Again, L, T, K, P. This is consonant, L. You have Y letter. So in plural form, you will have families. Families. Okay? Family. Families. Here we just added a sound because this is vowel. Here we add IES because this is consonant. And the next one. One more example. A lady. A lady. Again, is it vowel or consonant? Yeah, this is consonant. D sound. We have Y letter, so plural form will be ladies. Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, and so on. So these are the basic rules for making plural nouns. Later, in the later lessons, I will teach you how to make plural form of the irregular nouns, right? So right now, you will have practice with these type of nouns. Try to memorize them. This sounds like s, 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 ch, x, o, right? Boxes, foxes, watch, watches, kiss, kisses. Next, shelf, shelves, wolf, wolves, wife, wives, loaf, loaves, and so on. Vowel and A. You can say boy, boys, toy, toys. There are words like play, plays, right? Consonant, Y letter, for example, family, families, lady, ladies, sky, skies, right? So try to memorize these letters, these rules, and try to make practice with them. So maybe you will have some tasks that you can check yourself, right? Plural forms. And remember, if you want to say that there is something somewhere, you start the sentence with there is, there are, right? As you can see, for example, there is a lemon in my hand, right? There is one lemon in my hand. And there are lemons. There are 2 lemons in my hand. Or there are some lemons in my hand. No, not important. Some, 2, 3. But you see that there are 2 lemons in my hand, right? So this is super easy. Plural nouns, singular, plural. Now you understand what we are talking about when we say plural. And I hope it was very easy and interesting for you, and I hope you liked it. So, as usual, practice, speak it, say sentences, talk to each other, make sentences, write them down, okay? And I hope to see you next lesson. Bye-bye.